Yes, the infra segment is having long cycles, and when there is a long cycles, then the concentration risk also goes up, as well as the volatility as well. Now, this infra space is actually in focus, and analysts are also stating that there can be a staggered investments coming ahead via SIPs in infra funds, and this is a thematic scheme which we have found out. Of course, they will be more volatile as compared to the regular equity products. And now the important question is the cycle turning for the infra space? Now, of course, there is a potential revival happening in the private capex space as well, which is aiding well for the infra companies as well, and a cyclical recovery is in place. And lastly, there has been a growth in the fixed capital formation, but which have been the best performing infra funds over the last 3 years. Now, let's look at those numbers. Of course, the first pick being Quant Infra Fund. Over the last 3 years, they have given a CAGR of almost 39%, followed by ICICI Pro Infra Fund and Kotak Infra Economic and Reforms Fund. Now let's look at the best performing funds on a 5-year perspective. Over here we see again Quant Infra Fund has taken the lead, coming in at 22%, followed by Invesco and Bank of India's funds. But lastly, there is volatility, which I had stated earlier. And now let's compare the performance of infra funds with the large cap funds. And over here, it is still mixed, as over a 3-year period, infra funds have performed better, while on a 5-year period, it has been the large cap funds. On